let's go. 808 low.
Hey, what's up folks? This was a long overdue upgrade. I finally did it, and man, I've driven this for about, I would say, 24 hours already, and I can tell this is meant to be done. I went with a square setup, meaning the front and the rear, they are both the same setup. I went with 18 by 8 and the offset is 35. The tires, I went with Kumho tires, and the tires are 235 by 40, and man, I've ran this for about 24 hours already, and I can tell this is exactly what needed to be done. You may be wondering which color of the wheels are these. These are not silver colors. They are kind of like a dark grayish color. That's what I went with. The reason I went with this color, because number one, I'm a content creator. If I went with black wheels, with this distance on the black wheels, it will just black out, and you wouldn't see the details of the wheels, and it's always difficult to edit car with black wheels. I've owned black wheels, and I have to tell you personally, I will never go with black wheels again. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I catch you on the next one.